At Meyers Auto Tech, we believe that when it comes to your vehicle, trust is the most important word. You need to trust that when you start your vehicle, it will get you where you need to go, and safely. If something goes wrong on your vehicle, it's important to trust who works on it. That's where we come in.
When we look at your vehicle, we like to approach it as if we're looking at a loved one's vehicle, or even our own. We use state-of-the-art equipment and extensive training to diagnose the problem, and then we come up with a solution that not only fixes the problem, but is easiest on your wallet. Whether you need your domestic car, Tesla, or diesel truck worked on, our ASE certified mechanics can take care of the job.
Hi, I'm Ben, the owner of Meyers Auto Tech, and if you're currently a customer of ours, I'd like to thank you for trusting us with your vehicle. If you've never used us before, I'd like to personally invite you to give us a try. Don't settle for less. Come to Meyers Auto Tech.